Casement Windows Manassas, Virginia, is a service that many homeowners seek to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. With a variety of options available, including vinyl casement windows, wood casement windows, and aluminum casement windows, residents can choose the perfect fit for their homes. Casement window experts in Manassas provide top-notch window replacement services, ensuring that each installation meets the highest standards of quality and durability. Energy-efficient casement windows are a popular choice for those looking to reduce their energy bills in Manassas, VA. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, keeping homes warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Double-glazed casement windows are particularly effective in enhancing energy efficiency, making them a smart investment for any homeowner in Manassas, Virginia. Custom Casement Windows Manassas offer a unique opportunity for homeowners in Manassas to personalize their window design. Whether you prefer the classic look of wood casement windows or the modern appeal of aluminum casement windows, custom options allow you to tailor the style and functionality to your specific needs. Casement window contractors in Manassas, Virginia, are skilled in creating bespoke solutions that reflect your personal taste and complement your home's architecture. Affordable Casement Windows in Manassas, VA, provide a cost-effective solution for those looking to upgrade their windows without breaking the bank. With a range of styles and materials available, homeowners can find budget-friendly options that do not compromise on quality or performance. Casement window companies in Manassas offer competitive pricing and exceptional service, making window replacement an accessible option for all. Casement window repair services in Manassas, Virginia, are essential for maintaining the longevity and functionality of your windows. Whether it's fixing casement window locks, replacing casement window hinges, or addressing issues with casement window frames, professional repair services ensure that your windows remain in optimal condition. Window Repair Manassas VA experts are equipped to handle all types of repairs, providing peace of mind to homeowners. Casement Windows Manassas maintenance is crucial for preserving the appearance and performance of your windows in Manassas, VA. Regular maintenance, including cleaning casement window screens and inspecting casement window hardware, helps prevent potential issues and extends the lifespan of your windows. Window Maintenance Manassas, Virginia services offer comprehensive care to keep your windows looking and functioning their best. Casement window styles in Manassas offer a diverse range of options to suit any home design. From traditional to contemporary, the variety of styles available ensures that homeowners can find the perfect match for their aesthetic preferences. Window Styles Manassas experts can guide you through the selection process, helping you choose the ideal style that enhances your home's curb appeal. Casement window hardware is an important consideration for homeowners in Manassas, Virginia, looking to ensure the security and functionality of their windows. High-quality casement window locks, hinges, and frames are essential components that contribute to the overall performance of your windows.